Imagine this, a perfect face of makeup, bronzer on point, your lip gloss is poppin', perfect outfit.
I got pockets!
And then your hair, well, maybe isn't as glamorous or perfect as it should be, ruining your night out, putting a damper on how good you want to feel about yourself. Our hair greatly affects how we feel about ourselves, and as someone who has had thin and damaged hair, I know the struggle of wishing and wanting for your hair to be healthy, shiny, and as thick as it possibly can be. Today, we are going over 5 easy steps you can do to start the process of getting your damaged hair back to being strong with the perfect, easy, healthy hair care routine. Let's go. Step 1. Properly washing your hair. This might seem like an odd place to start, but shampoo is meant to cleanse your scalp to remove oil and buildup, and is the starting point to laying the foundation for how long you can go in between washes. You want to make sure that you are getting a good scrub on your scalp and focusing solely on your root area. I like to separate my hair, lightly lather my shampoo in my hands, and then apply the shampoo to my scalp, pushing the product onto my scalp first, and then use my fingers to scrub, and I will repeat this all through my hair. Notice how I am only working the shampoo on my root area. I am not moving the product through to my ends. As you rinse your hair, the shampoo will cleanse the rest of your hair more than enough. Overwashing your ends, especially if they are damaged, is only going to dry them out and lead to possible breakage. This is because when our hair is wet, it is at its most fragile state, and if you have damaged hair, you need to be as gentle with it as possible when in the shower. Think of shampooing as a form of therapy for your hair. You get in there, scrub your scalp to purge out all the dirt and oil buildup, and upon rinsing your hair, it's freshly prepared to continue your healthy hair routine. And speaking of therapy, I want to give a thank you to our sponsor, BetterHelp. Our hair really can affect the way we feel about ourselves, and in my 16 years as a stylist, I can't count how many times I had clients wanting a drastic change with their hair because they were going through something. Having experience with therapy, I love the setup of BetterHelp. They make therapy more affordable and more accessible because it's all online. Finding a therapist in your area can be a challenge, but BetterHelp makes it easy by filling out a few questions that allow them to connect you with a therapist in just a few days. And if you don't like your initial therapist, BetterHelp can place you with a new therapist at no additional cost. It's super easy to sign up, and you can find the link in the description and pinned comment. It is betterhelp.com/summer. That link will save you 10% off of your first month, making it even more affordable. Thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to making your hair healthy so you can continue to feel your best self. Step 2, use a repairing treatment. You will want to use a dedicated hair repair treatment over using a repairing shampoo like Olaplex or Redken. They certainly aren't going to be bad for your hair, but you will get more benefits from using a dedicated repair treatment. Repair treatments work because the product is more concentrated with ingredients to repair over a shampoo that has other ingredients that are meant to cleanse your hair, which is going to dilute the repair aspect. My current favorite repair product is K18's Molecular Repair Hair Mask. You apply this post-shower on towel-dried hair prior to any other products. You do not need to use conditioner when using this product. I will split my hair into 4 quadrants, so right down the middle, and then 2 sections split at my ear. You're going to be able to spread the product through your hair much easier this way. Starting with a little at a time, I will apply the product to each section. I typically only use about 1.5 full pumps of the product on my own hair, but depending on how long or thick your hair is, you may need more. Once the product has been applied, I will then comb my hair to evenly spread the product, let it sit the recommended 4 minutes, add in any other products that I choose, and style as normal. It's that easy. There's no waiting in the shower for 10 minutes or having to combine it with other products to get max results. Easy and simple, and that's what I like when it comes to repairing my hair. This is recommended to use consecutively for 6 washes and then use every 3 to 4. If your hair isn't severely damaged, you could skip the 6 consecutive applications and just use every 3 to 4, but doing it every 6 at first isn't gonna hurt anything. And before moving on to step 3, I wanna hear from you which of these steps you do or maybe don't do, or if you struggle following through with one. Either way, it's never too late to start a healthy hair routine, and I love connecting with you all in the comments. Step 3. Be gentle when brushing or combing your hair. This is another one that might seem like a seriously, you're trying to tell me brushing my hair a certain way is gonna make it healthy? But stay with me. We already made mention of how our hair is most fragile when wet, and you wanna keep that in mind when you are brushing or combing your hair post-shampoo. You never want to brush or comb your hair from roots to ends, whether your hair is wet or dry. If you have a tangle or knot in your hair and you start at your root, this means that that tangle has to work its way through all of your hair that has yet to be brushed. This is gonna be more stressful on your hair and lead to breakage. You wanna always start at the bottom and work your way up. When your hair is wet, you will want to brush it with a wet brush. Never use a hard brush on wet hair or the finer side of your comb. I use a wet brush 99% of the time and only typically use a comb just to actually part my hair. And actually our next step will make step 3 a little easier. Step 4, leave-in conditioner is a must. Leave-in conditioner is one of the best products you can use to help the process of your hair getting longer and stronger. It may seem like an easy product to skip over, but they really do help. There are a lot of things leave-in conditioners offer when it comes to our hair, but one of the most important things is that they lock in the hydration or repair put into our hair from a shampoo or a treatment. To apply, you will spray all through your hair. Typically, you only need about 4 to 5 sprays, and the leave-in conditioner you want to be the first product applied post-shower or post-repair treatment. Step 5, use a heat protectant always. Using a heat protectant is another step that seems like a given, but it is also one that's easy to forget, especially if you are one who puts heat on your hair in between washes. I used to only focus on heat protectants for my initial blow dry, and then would just throw all caution to the wind and would reshape or curl the crap out of my already dry hair. It just wasn't pretty. Most leave-in conditioning sprays do have heat protection, but I still recommend using a secondary heat protectant when blow drying your hair. I like using on wash days either an oil like K18 or Olaplex. Both are ideal on fine hair and provide heat protection. Or I use a spray like Moroccanoil's Perfect Defense or Living Proof's heat styling spray. You wanna make sure again that you are using these products for when you reshape or curl your already dry hair in between washes. And I prefer to use one of the sprays on dry hair. I find them to be lighter on my fine hair, and I will spray them onto each section as I move through my hair. You don't need to douse your hair, but you want to make sure that you're coating both top and bottom of your section. These 5 steps are a great way to begin your hair repair journey or maintain your hair health you currently have. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified each time I upload, as I work on more videos to provide you with even more steps to healthy hair. And go ahead and check out this video right here, all about hair repair products, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.